Hi guys, in today's session we'll learn about three more magic method. So those are, the first one is absolute, right, and the second one is invert, right, and the third one is round. Okay, round. Okay, so we are going to learn these three unary, sorry, not unary, yes, all are actually unaries, right? These three are also unary operator. So these are the internal, you can call the system call, which are used. Suppose absolute is used for the function absolute, default function, the interpreter function absolute, and this invert will just overload the tilde operator. Okay, overload tilde operator, and the round will use internally called for round function, right? So x n, right? So x is the number and n is the up to what number you want to make it round up, right? So these three, so absolute, invert and round, we are going to learn these three things. So first one is absolute, right? So suppose there is a number, okay, suppose I want to do the absolute of -4. So what is the absolute value of -4? It will be 4, right? Similarly, what is the value of absolute value of 4? It will be 4. Similarly, round. Round means, suppose this is suppose I want to make the round of a number. Let the number is okay, first make it round. Suppose I am making the number 2.3444 like this one. Okay, if I want to make it round up, then what will be the value? The value will be, it will come to the floor value, that is 2, right? Because this is less than 5, less than or equal to 5, this is less than 5, so it will round up to 2. And suppose the decimal value is more than 5 or 5 more than 5, then this will be round up to 3. Okay, this is all about round up. So for this, actually internally it will invoke this round. Another thing is tilde. Tilde is some kind of I am not sure, but it will be used for this 1s complement, right? Suppose I want to make tilde of 5. This will be something -4 or like that. Okay, -6. This will be the 1s complement of tilde, right? So tilde will give you the 1s complement. So this tilde will internally invoke this invert operator or invert method, magic method, and this round will invoke this round function, right? Round method, and this absolute will invoke the absolute method, right? So these three are the three things. So we are going to learn. So one is suppose I want to do this. Again I am going to create a class. Okay, class is my class. Same my class I am repeating every time. Then I am just creating a okay, div, right, init self, then I am putting a number x, right? Okay, then I am just assigning this value to set.x equal to x, right? Then I am overloading another function, def absolute, and inside this it will just return me what is the value. Suppose let me first print it out, something it will print this is inside absolute, right? Similarly I am going to create two more functions. One is for round up, another for this invert, right? So let it be round. Okay, so round will take two argument. Okay, let it be so I'm not concentrating on the argument, right? Then this is the invert, right? So I am just using these three functions. Let me create a object of it. Obj is equal to my class. So right now this is also not required. Okay, I'm just checking it. Okay, my class. Okay, done. Now the thing is, suppose I want to call this method absolute, then what to do? I just need to call absolute, then object dot absolute, object dot absolute, absolute, then inside this I need to pass the object, right? If I am going to execute it, you can see this is printing, this is inside absolute. Okay, let me comment out this thing. So this is just overload the corresponding absolute function, absolute method, and just giving me this executing this particular function while I am using this absolute method. Similarly, if I am going to use the round method, you can see here, and inside round, suppose I am using the same object, right? It will just execute this underscore round. Similarly, if I am going to execute use this tilde thing, tilde, then obj, this is the unary operator, and if I am going to execute it, you can see this will just execute this invert. So this way these three are correspondingly execute the absolute default absolute method and default roundup method, and the invert is corresponding to the tilde method, right? So this is all about these three particular you can call matching method. Okay, in the next class we are going to learn few more such kind of magic method. Okay guys, so just a request, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to get this kind of video in future also, just press the bell icon. Okay, that will be benefit for me. Okay, thank you guys.